this way. So I thought maybe an upgrade in the vehicle. No, come on. No. Yeah. No, come on. I got a really good deal on it. It has a blown motor. So I'm going to fix the motor. And it's got a little rust. So I'm going to fix the rust. But I got it super cheap. No, seriously.
Yours, Vince.
Yeah, it's yours. I mean, eventually. It needs some work, but it's a solid truck, four-wheel drive. It's a 2006, so you can get parts for it everywhere. This is handy. Pull yourself in with your left hand and just boom.
Come on, Vince. Test it out.
This is serious. Yeah.
When you're down and trouble and you need a helping hand and nothing, well, nothing is going right.
So, a lot of people helped with this. We asked some friends and some family who all love you very much, and we had a lot of people kind of kick in a couple of bucks. Friends of Kelly's.
A lot of our friends.
A lot of our friends. Oh. So they're helping. They helped us buy it, and they're going to help me do all the work on it. I mean, not physically turn a wrench, but they're going to help me buy the parts for it. So this is an effort from a lot of people who
Lord, I'll
love you
be
and
there, yes I will. No, you've got a friend.
Oh,
You've got a friend, yeah. Ain't it good to know you've got a friend? Ain't it good to know you've got a friend? Oh yeah, you've got a friend.
and your little dog too.